guys, welcome to the studio and welcome to a very quick ambassador video for Clare Day-Silvestro at CDS Abstract Art. Now I recently played around with some of her digital kits. I used a kit called Wisteria Sky. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful purples. Links will be below, guys. All the relevant links that you need to know about will be below. Yeah, and whilst I was going through her kits in the previous video, this one was in amongst them. I've just printed it to a page here. This one was amongst them, and straight away I said in that video, balloons. These have been jelly prints, I believe, that she's just scanned and whatnot, and straight away when I was going through the kits in the flip through side of things, I just knew that these at some point had to be balloons. And I think I did say in that video as well that to me it screams like a card front. So I printed it out, had a play, and I made a card. And I made balloons. I'm not sure what she's used to actually make that. Obviously it's a jelly print, but I don't know if she's used like a fingerprint or something or whatnot, but I don't know, to me it just immediately, as soon as I saw it printed out, it just went, balloons, they've got to be balloons. Yeah, and it was the most easiest thing to do. Okay, so obviously apart from printing that out, I printed it out four to a page, sorry. This is half of this, so that was 1, that was 2, that's 3, that's 4. So the same image printed 4 to a page, which makes it small enough to put on a card front. This was my attempt before that one, and I just went way OTT with the balloons, but it's so easy to do. Okay, so I just have a square card blank. Now this is actually too big for what I wanted, but I wanted it a little bigger, and then I could cut down later. So yeah, I just found some beautiful card that contrasted with it, so I went for this pink. Obviously this is all I've got left of it. I did have to actually piece it in the middle, but you can't really see it. Yeah, so of course I just kind of put that on, cut it out as it was. Yeah, put it on the pink card and decided where I wanted to cut to leave a little border around, and then obviously glued the pink card onto the card base, then glued the balloons onto the pink card, and then drew around them, well, the kit page onto it. And then, as I said, I just drew around them, and it is the most easiest thing. Now I've turned it that way, and with this it is so easy to do and so fun to do, because as I said, with this one you can see it's just so easy to go overboard with the balloons because the shapes are already there for you. So I just used a black pen, and this is just a normal ink biro. So yeah, I just kind of went around the shape of it and made it a balloon. Just for the actual card, I just picked out certain ones that seemed to stand out. I didn't want to overdo it on the second time round like I did on the first one, but it is so easy to overdo. Well, that's a bit wonky, but the shapes are already there for you, so it's just easy to pick them out. I mean, if you weren't making a card front and you wanted a balloon piece, then, you know, you just carry on going. There's like 3 balloons in a row there, if you wanted to. 4, because there's another one there, see? Not all balloons are the right shape, the same shape. It depends how you blow them up. Also, it depends on the size of them. Okay, so that one's a bit wonky. So then, that one I did it from top to bottom, but that's just too much. So these, I just did it as though they were dangling down, and then you just literally add like the little wavy bits for the string. And that's it, guys. So here we go. Get that one down there. I mean, you could kind of do like little streamer type things on it. That's a nice big one there. Do a wavy one there and a little streamer coming off it there. You know, you could add more, and it's just, oh, it's just there. It's like she's done the hard work for you. But yeah, and that's it. So that's all I had to do. And then, as I said, I just put it on the pink background. Put that pink background onto the card background. Then I cut the card to the size that I wanted it. And then with the piece that I cut off the bottom of the card, because obviously beforehand the card was square, I then just got out my stamps. I chose this one. This is a Papercraft Inspirations set that I have. I just chose that one because it's got balloons on, and again many different shapes. And then I used some Dusty Concord oxide ink. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit, guys. Yeah, I just used some Dusty Concord oxide ink to print on that, stamp on that, and then I used a bit more of this card just to back around that, and then put it in that blankish space. If you notice, yeah, here, well, we'll do it here anyway. Over here there seemed to be on here, because I only chose specific balloons here, so I have more of a white space sort of here than over here, so I didn't want to take away from the balloons. Like here on this one, if I was doing it, I'd put my sentiment over here because there's a nice bunch of balloons there and not much here, so I'd maybe put it across there. Yeah, but that's it, guys. So it's literally just that, some glue, some ink, a pen, a trimmer, cardstock, and a stamp, and you're done. You don't even need to use a stamp. And then I just put some cute sparkly paper inside to be able to write on when the time comes. There is an envelope for it floating around somewhere, but yeah, so that's it, guys. And I so enjoyed doing it. It was really fun doing it. So it's just a bit of a simple one. The more I look at it now, the more I want to, oh, well, I'll just put that balloon in. There's a little tiny one hiding there, I'll put that in. But for the card side of things, I just really don't want to overdo it. And yeah, it's just nice and simple, and I had so much fun, guys, and I highly recommend that you try it out. So yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I hope to see you again very soon. Please check out all the links to Claire's socials below. And again, thank you so much. Bye.